Do you want to mark a message as unread on Twitter X? You can mark a conversation as unread on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mark a message as unread on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, find the conversation you want to mark as unread. Press and hold the conversation. A menu will appear with different options. Tap on Mark as Unread. The conversation will now show as unread in your inbox, making it easier to return to later. Keep in mind that marking a message as unread only changes it on your side and does not affect what the other person sees.